Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to schedule daily journaling reminders on iPhone. You can schedule daily journaling reminders on an iPhone by opening Settings. Try to pin down Journals, which you can find inside Apps. Tap Journal. Go inside. Scroll a little bit down to find below General Notifications. Press it. Now, always turn notifications on iPhone. So allow notifications, go back to journal or same journal, scroll a little bit down, notifications again, and turn on journaling schedule to toggle on daily alert. So now all I gotta do, select the timing, 6 p.m., 6 a.m., whatever that may be for you, right? Depending on your schedule. You'll be notified every Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday at 6 a.m. If you want to change that and make it like 7 days a week, add Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, right? So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps. See you in the next one.